Hi, I'm Lisa Hartley, founder of Off the Wall on the Fence. My husband John and I started this business from an idea that we had in our very own backyard. In fact, it started with this little postcard. After we renovated our small outdoor space in 2016, we realized that our backyard looked actually a bit boring. Our walls, or really our fences, were bare. Then John got this postcard in the mail and he had an idea. See, he's been in commercial printing for over 30 years and he decided he was going to use his expertise to blow this piece up to a huge 6 feet by 4 feet and put it outside. We loved it. It actually looked amazing. So we decided to print a few more pieces, and the next thing you know, we had our own outdoor gallery. We happen to be art lovers ourselves, and we were interested in expanding the footprint of our small house by extending our living space to the outdoors. We realized something really interesting, that by adding art to our backyard, we were actually elevating the whole living and entertaining outdoor experience. We realized something else. Our prints, which remained outdoors in all seasons, spring, summer, fall, winter, and yes, even through snowstorms, remained beautiful. When friends and family came over, they started asking us to produce prints for them, and suddenly our business idea was born. Today, this is the original print of the streetcar that started it all those years ago. This has been outdoors for over 6 years and it still remains vibrant and beautiful. All of our prints are custom made with commercial grade materials, and we guarantee they will be as beautiful in 5 years as they are today. That's why we have a 5-year replacement guarantee. Our prints are produced in Canada, and today I'm proud to say that we have delivered custom outdoor art prints across this beautiful country, into the US, over to the UK, the Netherlands, and even as far as Italy. Whether you want to decorate your outdoor space with your own personal photos, your special memories, or choose from our online galleries, we know that we have designed the best weatherproof outdoor art in the world, and we hope it will bring you joy for years to come.